What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. In this video we're taking a second look at my Seiko Samurai SRPB55. Now I've already given a full review on this piece, and if you want to see that video I will have a link down below in the description. I do these secondary videos because some watches look different depending on studio or natural lighting, and giving a variety of conditions helps provide viewers with a better idea whether or not a timepiece is right for them. Today's video was shot at the Descanso Gardens, so without further delay, let's jump into it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this quick look at the Seiko Samurai outdoors, on the wrist, and in action. Thank you for sticking with me all the way until the end of the video. I really do appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.